everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. So I again welcome you all to Programming Knowledge. So in this tutorial we are going to continue with our to-do app. So like in today's tutorial we are going to work on the sort feature. So basically we would sort the data. So you can like guys, this is my GitHub link of my repository. You can download this project. I've defined below the instructions like how you can install on your local machine. So you can run this project on your local machine, and it's pretty easy how we can do it. So basically in today's tutorial we are going to we have all we have implemented the create operation, read operation, delete operation. We are left with the update operation, but before the update operation I want you to have a bit familiar with this query set features on Django. So basically they have this query set features are very useful to implement the backend functionality. Like suppose I can show you like this is the all feature we use. So it returns all the objects of that database class which we have defined, which we also say as model, database model. So it returns all the objects of the that particular class or model. And in the same way we have also have particular things like filter, values, date, times, all, union, intersection. One of them I would like to show you is order by. So here you can see order. Yeah, here you can see the query set is ordered. So it has an order by clause. Like it will give you the order. If you want to sort the data by a particular value, you can use order by. So that's pretty helpful. So you can use order by. So like what I can show you one thing. One is order by and another is contains contains this one. Yeah, so this one is used to search. This is particularly for searching the data. So what kind of data you want. So this one is contains. So like if you want to like this query is particularly get headline where it contains this keyword. So basically this is equal to this SQL equivalent query select where headline like this. So basically you can perform the search operation by contains. So we are left with the update operation. We'll quickly complete that also, but before that we'll try to implement our sorting the data and searching the data by order by feature and contains by feature. So this is the GitHub link, and here I have defined below the I will open a project. So basically this is search by title, but it's right now it's not functional. We'll implement that. So we can add a new to do, we can do order by feature to be done. So this is the title. Okay, so I'll quickly copy this and give this a priority of 1000. So here you can see that particularly I have all the basically I have this is the one I have added, order by feature, and this is like coming, and it has a basic functionality of delete operation as well. So it has been deleted with the ID 19. Okay, so it must have been deleted. So quickly I'll add another order by feature to be done. Yeah, and I'll add this and I'll give this as number 500. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Okay, but one thing you can see is that we have made a we have made an query so here you can see we have made a route where we have where it's working like an API somewhere. So let me do this 500 as 6000, and let me when I submit this, so I will find one with the 6000 as well. Okay, and this one is 500. So now I want to we have the priority numbers. So these are our priority numbers. This one is 500, 589, 800, 500, 6000, and we want to be order the data according to the priority numbers. So we can use order by feature. So that's going to be pretty fine. So what you need to do, you need to define in urls.py file of to do app. So what you can do, you move to the path. Okay, sorry for this, I need my caps locks to be off. I'll define path sort by priority or something, or let me do sort data. This would be fine. Yeah, so sort by data, sort data Now I'll call a views function, views.sort data, views.sort data, and name is equal to sort data. Okay, sort data. Yeah, I hope this is fine. So I'll move to my views.py file, define sort data, which will take a request as a parameter. Okay, and so basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to return render request, then list.html. Okay, and context is equal to, context should be my dictionary. Okay, and now I'll define my dictionary. Okay, so here you can see that when I define my dictionary, so here you can see that I would define all to dos, all to dos. Okay, and now what I would be doing, I would be saying to do dot objects dot all dot order underscore by, and let me do this by I'll move to my models.py file. So here you can see that I have list of parameter. One is title, description, priority, or created ad. So let me first do it by uh, created ad. Okay, created underscore ad. Okay, so I hope this is fine. Now this is my URL. Okay, and now I'll move to my index.html. So basically uh, so to do description, no, I have, yeah, so I have made a page. Let me do this as sort by sort data. Okay, sort data, and the URL would be percent URL link. So I'll define the URL, then give a percent sign, then again, and I would define this as sort data. Okay, so I hope this is fine. I have done sort data. So let me go to my app, and let me click on add, and let me click on sort data. So object has no function order by. Okay, let me see something. I've made an error. Let me move to my views.py file. Okay, I made a braces here. So now I think this is fine. Okay, so let me refresh this page. Yeah, now you can see that I have been ordered the data by date, and that too in ascending order. So that is in increasing order. Okay, so first 7th May, 7th May, 7th May, then comes the your 10th May. Okay, now if I want to change this feature, simply I'll move to views.py file, and I'll put a negative sign here, and this would be in decreasing order. So now when I refresh this page, here you can see 10th May, 10th May, 10th May, 10th May is there, then 7th May, 7th May, 7th May. In the same way, you can do with the priority number as well. Okay, so here you can see I'll do priority number. So for that you need to move to your models.py file. You should be very familiar with this very same keyword. Now I'll give a priority here. Okay, and now when I refresh my page, my all the priorities would be increasing. That is 89, 500, 500, 500, 800, 6000, and this to a large number. Now when I put a negative sign here, now I can see that now this would be in a decreasing order. Okay, so I hope this is very, you are pretty much fine with this, that now this is in decreasing order. Now it's helpful to you. Okay, so like in this way you can create such operations, and in the next tutorial, so basically I have made this by sort by priority now. So you can change this to sort by priority. Okay, so I hope this is fine. Now even list all to dos, you can list any of them, and then click on sort by priority. You return a number within priority. Okay, so and this is your delete operation, which works absolutely fine. You can delete any. Okay, so I have deleted this one. So we are going to continue in the next tutorial with the search operation, and then the update operation as well. So so that is going to be implemented by this contains by. So you can explore this page. This is very helpful, and I'll catch up in the next tutorial that what we are going to cover. So thank you guys, thank you so much. So I'll catch up in the next tutorial.